Hello everyone, my name is Nipun Danushka. Welcome all of you to the DNS Wireshark Demonstration. First things first, what is the DNS? DNS is Internet Service. Actually, it's like a phone book. In a phone book, first we look up the name or the numbers. So the functionality of the DNS is nothing but translate domain name services into IP addresses. What is a domain name? Actual domain name is used in URLs to identify web pages. Every domain has a suffix such as gov, edu to indicate top-level domains. In a DNS workflow, there are many steps can be identified. So first, when the user types human readable address in the web browser, the operating system's DNS client will check for the information in the local cache. If the requested address isn't there, it will look for DNS server in the local area network. When the DNS server receives the query and the requested domain is found, it will return the result. If not, it sends the query to the next server called the root server. Root servers are top of the DNS hierarchy, and 13 sets of root servers are placed among the globe and operated by the 12 different organizations. If the root service does not know the particular IP address, it directs to the top-level domain server called TLD. TLD stores addresses for the top-level domains such as .com, .net, .org. TLD is also not known the IP address. It directs to the request to the final level called authoritative name servers. And these servers are knowing everything about the domain, including IP addresses. Finally, the IP address is sent to the client computer and retrieve the relevant website which the client requested. Finally, it's stored in the cache memory. Then the next time you ask the same particular web page, you need to go through all these steps. DNS record type. What is a DNS record type? DNS records provide important information about domain or host names, particularly information about its current IP addresses. In the further demonstration, I will explain what is a DNS record, and we retrieve our DNS records at the demonstration. In here, for the packet capturing purposes, I have used Wireshark. Wireshark is an open source tool. It can be used for many purposes like network troubleshooting, software and communication development, and for the education purposes as well. In here, some command line functions have to use to get the relevant output in our demonstration. So first, I need to get my machine's IP address. This command is ipconfig, and I retrieved my computer IP address as 10.0.0.11. To clear the DNS cache, I need to use this command ipconfig /flush DNS. This is a very important command. It's NS lookup. The functionality of this command is querying the DNS to obtain domain name or IP address mapping for the particular website. In here I use amazon.com. You need to type your particular website name followed by NS lookup. To check the name server records of the particular website, in here it's amazon.com. I need to type this command NS lookup -type equal NS and the website name. So let's start the Wireshark demonstration. In here I have used wik.gov.au website for the demonstration. Before starting, we need to launch the command line. Go to the search bar, type cmd and put enter. First, I need to find my IP address of my computer, so type ipconfig, enter. Here my IP address is 10.0.0.11. So then I need to clear my DNS cache. To do that, ipconfig /flush DNS. Tap enter. said successfully flush the DNS resolve cache. Then I need to type ns lookup space my website. What's it? .gov.au. Before that, I need to start my Wireshark capturing. So in here, I need to select which network interface we want to listen. In here, it should be Wi-Fi. Click here. So start capturing everything. So I'm going to stop now, and this part needs to start capturing. So I'm going to start capturing, and I'm going to enter here. So now it says capturing the traffic. Then I'm going to type ns lookup space dash type equal ns pic.gov.au. Now I'm going to the Wireshark and stop my capturing. Then I have seen a lot of protocols here: TCP, TLS, ARP. So I'm going to filter the DNS. So in here, we can check it's pinging to our particular websites, and here it's a source IP. It's my desktop, my machine's IP. In here, see, in the destination, it's the destination IP. Can be identified. Here it's Victoria Government AO IP address 10.0.0.138. So we have retrieved some particular information here. It's use the domain name system. It's a user datagram protocol. In expand it, the source port is 55169 and the destination port is 53 and the length is 38. And I'm going to get a filter for this, and this indicates the request and this indicates the response. So in here it mentions my transaction ID. I'm going to right click it here, apply as filter selected. Okay, now I'm going to retrieve some information and expand these flags, and it's one, and its recursion is a do query recursively. It means actually a DNS client requests information from a DNS server that is set to the query subsequent DNS servers until a definitive answer is returned to the client. Actually, question is my request, and I'm going to expand my query, and it says a type A DNS record. What's the type A DNS record? At the PowerPoint I mentioned that it's type A DNS record. It's address mapping record, which means store a host name and its corresponding IP version for addresses. So what can we get? It's here, the informations can be retrieved. Its time to live value, it's 900. What is the time to live value? Actually, it means provide of time in computer and computer network that a data packet can experience before it should be discarded. Then it should be 900. And here I can identify the Victoria government addresses as well. So These are the main information you can retrieve from this Wireshark. So thank you for listening to the demonstration, and if you have any queries, please comment below, and we will meet another Wireshark demonstration on the topic as SSL. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.